There's another test method that I want to try, and it's just for testing for gold, not for separating, especially for gold that's in a sulfide. And you just take a pinch of the material, whatever that is. I'll try that. And you do a fusion within nitrate and chloride flux. And they recommend ammonium nitrate and ammonium chloride, but I don't have either. I don't have the ammonium nitrate, so I'm going to use use potassium nitrate and potassium chloride. It's about 2.5 times the nitrate to the chloride. So I'm going to just mix this all together in one shot rather than making the flux separately. That should be good. Alright, this fusion is going to be done. This is actually clay, even though it looks dark. It's not a charcoal block. You definitely don't want to do an oxidizing fusion on charcoal for obvious reasons. We'll go ahead and melt that up. Here's the fusion. I'm going to crush it up a little bit. I'll add it to a test tube. And I'll dissolve what I can in a few drops of hydrochloric acid. Alright, that's quite yellow, and there's a lot of solids in there, so I'll add a little bit of water. I'm going to centrifuge this down and get some of the liquid out. This is a blank oxidation melt. So I took some material from the oxidation melt that was extracted with a couple drops of hydrochloric acid, and I also did a melt with just the melt material, no sample in it, and also extracted that with hydrochloric acid. So let's go ahead and see if we can find any gold this time with our stannous chloride solution. Guess I'll start with the blank. Nothing. Ah, this time we are finding something in the oxidation fusion. Definitely a pretty significant indication there. I may be rich after all. I did get a positive indication for gold using the oxidation melt method as indicated by Professor Frank's method for detecting gold, along with stannous chloride. And so there might be gold in that ore sample. We blanked out with the extraction methods. I'm not real confident on the extraction method, so I'll have to give that some thought. The gold indication method with the stannous chloride I feel very confident about. You can go back and reference my earlier video concerning the gold testing and its sensitivity. So far we have some conflicting results, so the next thing I'm going to do, I have 2 more things up my sleeve. The next one will be a fire assay because I don't have any ovens, so I'll have to use torches. and that's a little bit more difficult and a little bit more of an art. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to get that to work or not. And I have one other thing up my sleeve that I didn't talk about, so that should give us a definitive answer. Alright, well thank you for watching the video, and stay tuned for the next one with the fire assay.